Okay, Vince is prepping up here.
Alright, let's get a box.
Hog Gems.
Yes. That's
Now I walked up in here without the camera going. He was doing it with his bare hands. As soon as he see me, if he turned the camera on, he put these little plastic gloves on.
okay. Let's put a bed up front. Let it sit up, act perky.
Sandy, had you ever been around any cooking like this as far as before?
Not at all.
Messing up meeting Vince? Well, you kind of enjoy this, don't you, Sandy?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Yep.
Yeah. Oodles. How are we looking, Tom?
Yeah, Tom's thinking the fun part's funny.
Are you ready?
Yeah. It's an L 9 up.
Bring it.
Now this is just your bed you're making, correct?
Making a bed, we're going to lay up 9 pieces. There's 8 required, but we're going to put 9, 3, 3, 3. There's going to be a little bit of elevation here and down like this.
Mm-hmm. What you put the tangerine on?
Our bellies.
Actually, vegetarians.
We don't eat this crap.
Yeah, I am too. I'm vegetarian all the way.
We don't eat this. What are you talking about?
I only eat meat just to make people feel good that I haven't turned it down.
The PETA people.
Yeah, what is that?
People eating tasty animals.
Yep, people who eat tasty animals.
I don't believe in that.
No, I understand.
Backtrack.
I've never saw one that wasn't tasty. Uh-oh, look at here. Vince, I gotta tell you, that piece acts like it's lacking a little something. I might need another bite just to make up my mind. That's great. Good, Lord.
Tom!
I feel like I'm in a zoo in the feeding time.
It's hot, man, very hot.
Yeah. We got a picture. Best 9.
Go ahead.
How about that one? Let's start with this one.
Yeah, that'll be a good one.
You know, that's what he's putting on top of the bed of the pulled chicken he just did. You call these medallions or just little pieces of chicken?
Chicken thighs.
Chicken thighs.
That we've actually altered and by using scissors and a knife. Alright, what's the 3? This one? That one?
Well, I'm seeing a rectangle here, so this guy.
I don't like that.
You don't like that guy?
That clip. That little.
So we take him out. 2, 3. Those are so 1, 2, 3, 2 like him. That goes here. I think this one or this one.
It's a nice one, I think.
Oh, you think this is
Not like that. Here.
He's upside down. That's what it is.
Always thought I might want to do this. Come to cook-offs like this and cook, but I'm having to see the work that's involved. And then like he's got 9 pieces laid on top of the pool. And the problem I'd have is Debbie be going, Tug, where's piece 6, 7, and 8? Looks good, guys.
The orange and the snot rag.
No, it's not rag. It's a.
Yeah, get the snot rag out of the box.
All right, this is close to going up. And it's our first box, guys.
All right, and you will have 3 more boxes going up as the day progresses.
Yes, all right. Close this. What time you got?
It is now 5 of. By the time you close it and get up there, it'll be just right.
You don't have to worry about it now. Let's get these other.
Do not. Do not.
Here, guys, we got us a choo-choo going.
What?
Yeah, we're blowing bubbles too.
Okay.
I'm surprised Debbie didn't hop that train. I think the only reason she did, she left her mask and gun at home. Come from a long history of train robbers up in North Florida. All right,
Delivered
this
to the
thing's
right
fixed to go. I'm gonna shut her down and we'll find out how he does here directly.